Hello. I know you're saying we are two people, okay? We are two. It's not just me. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Jerry Kabiro, Jerry Wakafiro. I'm here with my sister. Say hi.
Hi, Karo Wakafiro.
Yes. So do you want to tell people what you're doing here today? That's your mansion you bought right behind there. Tell them. Tell them.
We are at Teens Challenge,
Yes.
and it's a blessing to see this channel of yours growing to this level. She got a job here. She's training guys at the rehab.
Yeah.
And
Let's see how it goes. So guys, I wanted to explain to you what's happening with my channel. It's not like I'm stopping to do DIYs, it's just DIYs are taking me and the channel to the next level. So this is what we are going to do. I'm just changing the angle camera so that my sister can smile better. So I'm just I got this project where I come to train people what I do, the DIYs, and I'm training them so that they can have just a sustainability. And that's where I'm heading. I'm starting to train people. On 12th of September, I have another training. I'm looking forward for people to book in that training so that they can get to know what we do. And maybe it can be your full-time job or something. See, it created an income or a mansion.
mansion. And just to add that, I'm so proud of you. At least you, with your art, you're able to change someone's life and give them a skill, because skill is everything under the sun. You know, with Corona thing, you want to have some hand skill here and there and make some coin. I'm so proud of you and your channel.
Yes.
God
So,
bless.
yeah, the project actually is going to happen for the next 30 weeks. I'm taking this video to show you before, and once we are done, we're going to show you after, and we'll be taking you through the
journey.
classes, through the journey. So we are going to see the dog down there. But as we go, let my sister tell you how hard it has been for this project to come. Before this, tell them vile nimelala nje. Waambie vile tumekosa.
Sleepless night. Tumekosana, by the way. Tushaikosana see once.
Thinking that I should get a job.
Yes, and also I want to sleep, and then she's just out there gong 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 all night. You know, she does her art with loud music, and you know, in the middle of the night. And then at some point, I just told her, "Manze, after job, after two job," and
And you
again,
really
like,
thought I needed a job.
yes.
Because I was so broke. I always called her every month. Aki, sina food. Sina.
I swear,
Sina.
I
By the way, tell
swear.
them that you housed me and my kid.
Yes, at a point, I don't know where to start. I thought for long time that she needs a job. She needs to get a job. Sometimes namfix kwa jobo fulani, alafu akifika hapa ananiambia
It's not my thing.
namwambia toka basi kwa hao yangu. But anyway, it is what it is. At least we have learned that consistency pays. There's a monkey.
Well,
oh my
Oh my
god.
God, we need to show people. Oh, I'm going back to my sister. This should be a very good conversation. Finish for them the story. We were talking about how
It's a long journey. I think at a point we just decided as a family we got to hold her dream and just telling her like, yeah, you can do it. Akaanza ka channel, and then akastay for 100 for a long time. And then we keep on akikukol unamwambia, hey, you will make it, you know, like yeah. Anyway, yeah. But either way, I think it made a lot of realization this year after at least ulikuwa una get some few contacts here and there asking for your skill, and then at least I bet I was at work one day and then I saw my colleagues watching your channel, and then nikaona there's a table tyre video ikona like 3 point something K.
And I had not seen that.
Yes.
Because it's all those old videos. And then she called me.
Yeah, nikampigia nikamwambia, guy, you've seen your table tire.
Saizi imefika 6K, almost 6K.
6K, 6 point something K views. And I'm like, hi, we, ebu fanya kitu. Sayo utaanza kutengeneza. We need to make those, you need to make more of tires. And then you need to market it more. And then kidogo, 1,000 subscribers. And right now, tell your friend to support this young business banner by subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and referring those guys who want just skills that, you know, lazima uende uni. Ini uni, by the way. Ini uni. Finally,
I have a degree in DIY.
And looking forward for...
Ebu nitoe nini? Nimekwama kwa nywele, siko najua. Nilienda shower, I went to shower and I forgot to remove the blood. Okay, finish the story.
So my sister is so in love with this thing. Maha nimemwambia tuende kwa store, amekataa. Amekataa kwenda ndiani juu ya hii job yake. Anataka ati hii job imlipie kwenda ndiani. Wewe unaweza kata offer. Anyway, it is what it is. You enjoy your university. I know 50 years ama 20 years ama 10 years from now ama 5 years from now, sasa nitakuwa nakuja kusaka job kwa maybe kusaka job kwako. But that was the whole journey. It's long. Ametoka mbali, and it's not a thing that she woke up one morning na akafika mali amefika. And I'm so proud.
It's been tears,
it's been
pain, it's been crushing, and then making. That's the point. The making.
Yeah, making. So at a point hata mimi najiuliza sana nini nitafanya.
But you should know my sister's story. Also, let me tell you about her job. She called me one day in 2014. 2014 or 15, somewhere there. And then she told me, oh, I've gotten this job. I don't know, the way it sounded like corn to me. Sounded like corn. Sounded like she's gonna be used and get nothing. And now I look at you and I'm like, wow, God does just that miracle. She started like, she does sales, you know, the bulk SMSs, nini ingine?
Anything to do with the mobile and beyond. Anything to do with mobile marketing. If you're looking for any IT solution, you know, IT is the
Okay, I'm sorry for interrupting you.
Come back here. Anything to do with IT and beyond. You want to do branded marketing messages?
You need to brand me.
By the way,
charity begins at home.
So anything to do with mobile and beyond, mobile marketing platform, CRM, campaigns nizi, you know, like Coke is our client.
Ati nunua Coca-Cola wins, sijui
nini.
Funua bottles.
Yeah. It's been a long journey, but you know what?
Yeah.
We are still
there.
Moving.
Don't worry, you'll be a millionaire by the end of that.
We are still pushing on.
You will be the millionaire, don't worry. As long as you know the way
they say. Naona ukikuwa millionaire. Unajua inafanyanga mtu kazi. Yako inakuja first hand kwako. Oh my God.
But it's not easy. Is ya faint hearted. Ni ya watu wenye wako na roho. I mean, it has been a long journey. But just to summarize and to finish this, it's like taking shape. It's starting the baby step. Zile teething. And we can't wait to share more and tell more. You know, one day we'll sit down, like when we are seated, we should come to my place. We do this video and tell people how both of our journey, it's inspiring me. I just don't look at myself at I'll be a millionaire, you know. No, I think there's family, there's God, there's so much aspect, and there's so much that we have learned, or we keep on learning to grow ourselves. Anajisikia hiyo koti unaionaje wase? Unaionaje gaduti? Show them the back part. They can't really see. Let's see. They can see. Yeah. Shauri yao. Lakini the gaduti is just amazing. Yeah. So anyway, we need to sit down and do that video about the journey and how easy it has not been. And I know I keep on saying summary. I remember there's a time during your job, like before you start sales and in the first years it looks so difficult. There's a time I used to look at you and wonder, hey, utaja patata sale moja.
No, selling IT is not like nyanya. I'll go kwa barabara ni hook niseme nauza 5 10 mara ya mwisho 3 10 2 5 It's a lot of persistence. I think
I'm shaking. My hand is tired. Ooh.
I think that's in every aspect. What you've done, what I've done, it's a lot of persistence, pushing, knocking doors,
and not listening to people when they say negativity. Just taking the positive side and knowing what you want and standing firm. Firm for it, whether it's happening or not, and doing small steps to make sure you are getting what you're supposed to do. So anyway, acha niwapeleke around Teens Challenge just to show you the video of before, because this video, after 30 weeks, you will see how the after. I'm looking forward to changing the whole compound, doing a lot of art around, sindio? Tutakuja kufanya ya the final
graduation
party. Graduation party. Yeah. So that's
I've never done anything to do with flowers. Atika flowers okay. This is the first
I've been the bold one in the family. By the way, I do a lot of
nails. Unaona nimepaka orange. Guy, I wasn't sure. I always do black. So I'm getting out of comfort zone.
Shika kamera na wewe usikie vile nachoka. Kamera inashikangwa hivi.
Inashikangwa hivi.
No, from this angle.
Oh. Sasa unajua uwezi transform haraka.
Alafu nakuja hivi. Anyway, to summarize what is happening, I'm so glad that this YouTube and this project is turning into training people. Training people is not about me, it's about people's life, and just sharing the journey and telling them I can train you, but you need a lot of persistence. You realize sabotika
sasa hivi nani hit kwa mwalimu class akikwambia Jerry concentrate sasa it's happening. But thank God here it's about anyone who will pick skills.
Exactly. It's not like even about like shule. It's just giving you the skill, and the skill is not showing you exactly how you're going to do something. It's telling you if you take this and this and this, you can make this.
Actually,
and you can be creative on your
own. Actually, it's just this art will help someone to expand their mind and allow yourself to think outside, beyond, think beyond, and just create something.
Na kwanza mtu mwenye ako na stress nyingi, stress unashangaa. So I'm showing you Gai Power nayo. I'm showing you how this place looks like before. Before, and then I'll show you the after. Guys, unaona vile kunakaa? So that is it. We'll be sending more, sindio?
Sawa.
More to come. Waambie wa subscribe.
Nishawaambia guy, woi tafadhali damu dhaidha woi guy, woi mama subscribe alafu pikanga tu kidole woi.
Si kidole peke yake. Comments. Hata huko commenting. Wacha niwaambie commenting why I need the comment. When you comment, you keep the post going. Itawachiona more and more people. That's why your thumbs up if you can't comment, but comment ni very important. So until the next video, we're going to say bye. Tume have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.